Q1, I can fill a room, but take up no space. What am I? A. Air. B. Light. C. Time. D. Shadow. Light. Q2, what comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? A. The letter M. B. A second. C. A miracle. D. A heartbeat. The letter M. 3. I have keys but no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter but can't go outside. What am I? A. A code. B. A riddle. C. A keyboard. D. A map. The answer is the keyboard. 4. What has cities, but no houses, forests, but no trees, and rivers, but no water? A. A globe. B. A painting. C. A dream. D. A map. The answer is a map. 5. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? A. Memories. B. Steps. C. Mistakes. D. Secrets. The answer is steps. The more take you, the more leave behind. 6. I am tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? A. A tree. B. A pencil. C. A candle. D. A child. A candle. 7. What can travel around the world while staying in the same corner? A. A stamp. B. A shadow. C. A compass. D. A sticker. The answer is a stamp. 8. I have a face and 2 hands, but no arms or legs. What am I? A. A robot. B. A statue. C. A clock. D. A puppet. The answer is a clock. Because I have a face and 2 hands. 9. Forward I am heavy, but backward I'm not. What am I? A. Weight. B. Ton. C. Lift. D. Rock. The answer is ton, not spelled backward. 10. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have nobody, but I come alive with wind. What am I? A. A shadow. B. An echo. C. A leaf. D. A ghost. An echo. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these riddles, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more brain-twisting fun.